Welcome to the Connections 2019 convention. We are at the Orlando World Center Marriott and meeting today in the Cypress Ballroom. There are no planned emergency drills today, but should an emergency occur, we will exit the room through the doors you entered and go straight through out the glass doors. We will gather on the golf course and await the hotel instructions. If there is a fire or severe weather event, a message will play throughout the public address system giving special direction. In the event of an emergency, an association staffer will dial 555-55 from a house phone. ASLRRA has an AED at their registration desk. In the event of an active shooter, we will practice run, hide, fight. If safe to do so, we will exit per the previous instructions. If not, we will barricade the doors and shelter in place. Will those certified to perform CPR raise their hands? All, please note these individuals. When entering, exiting, or walking about the room, please look out for and step clear of any potential tripping hazards. If you leave the hotel, remove your badge. If you see something, say something. If anyone here requires emergency evacuation assistance, please make yourself known to an association staff member. And remember, have a productive and safe meeting.